Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the patio transformation I did for my brother and my sister-in-law. So if you have a small patio, this video is for you. So let's take a look at the before. You guys know I love showing the before of the spaces so you guys can appreciate the after. So here's what they had. They have an old dining table. They have that day bed that I gifted them and the jacuzzi tub my mom gifted them. So I partnered with Best Choice Products to refresh their space. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today. First step is obviously to clear the area and start assembling the furniture. This product has a great selection of affordable outdoor furniture, umbrellas, everything you need, you guys, and it's very affordable at a great quality. Check their website and don't forget to use my code to get a 5% discount on any item of your choice. The furniture I selected was very easy to assemble. All the instructions were straightforward, so it took us very little time to assemble everything. Other friend got there just in time to help us finish all this assembling. We just had the umbrella to put together. He helped us fill in the umbrella, weight, and also to finish building the cooler. This cooler is the best thing. I will link it down below. You guys know, if you follow me, that I have it for like over 2 years and it's still brand new, and it's the perfect thing to have in your backyard. Here's the fireplace. We're taking that out, and again, this is the same one that I have, but I picked the bronze color because I think it matches perfect with this area here. Hello, hello, do you remember me? After we were done assembling, I head over to Burlington with my sister-in-law, and I found pretty much what I needed for the space. I found these beautiful pillows, this rug from Wendy Bellissimo or something like that. I loved the color. It's like a peachy orangey color, something we haven't done before. I love it. So now let's go home and decorate this baby. So after I put the rug, I started putting the furniture back on. We put the gas stand for the fireplace. And this is a layout that I wanted to keep. I think it's very functional for them and it looks amazing. So yeah, loving that rock, you guys. What do you guys think? Let me know. Usually, you guys know I love the neutrals and the black and white, but this neutral with a pop of color got me going. Beautiful. I try, and then I mess it up. That's the story of my life. Say yes, I'm at the side share. I decided to add a little bit more pop of color, and I found this lumber pillows at Big Lots on sale for like $6 something each. Perfect little pillows. And this little planter here with some succulents, it's from Burlington as well, and it was on sale for $6, and it goes there super well. And now we have just a house plant that we picked up from my mom's backyard and we put it there. And look how it turned out, you guys. Tell me this doesn't look amazing. I love how neutral with the little pop of color going on it looks. It looks super inviting now, and it's a space where they could come out with the kid and enjoy their afternoons in the summer. My sister-in-law really wanted to get rid of this dining set. She feels like it's a little bit dated, but I told her, hey, let's just clean it up and put some greenery on top and let's leave it for now until you decide what to do with this area. This is how everything came out, you guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you're not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you all on the next one. God bless.